Hello and welcome to Nana's Journey. Today we are going to continue with the Brimming Over quilt with Installment 1 Part 3, and this should finish the first installment of the quilt. We are going to do this little patchwork piece right here, this piece right here. We are going to do this right here and these flying geese. And then we're going to put this block together. This goes on a different part of the quilt, but this goes together and we will be putting those together. So I've got all the pieces cut out. Instead of marking these from line to line, I just ironed them in half because I was at the ironing board and it seems real easy that way. There is one halfway through that will be smaller, and I'll do that when we get to it. And these, you just sew these together in order like this, alternate these, and then we'll make the flying geese. So it should be pretty simple. So let's get to the sewing machine. Okay, there's our piece. I just need to trim off all the threads. And now we'll work with these. Okay, I made a mistake already, which is no surprise. You only wanted to pair up 6 of them. The other piece, because there's an odd number in here. So I unpaired these and then this. So now I'm going to put these in the middle. Okay, now we've got this set done and we're going to attach these to this set. And you press towards the colored piece. Okay, let me get that pressed and then we will put the units together and then we'll work on the flying geese. Okay, this is our basket. And that will go next to our block. Okay, to make the flying geese, I'm just going to take one of these triangles, place it on one end, and sew on the line from corner to corner. Fold it back, make sure it fits. Okay, that fits. So I'm going to trim this off. Fold it back down. And do another one. We're going to do the same thing but in the other direction so that it makes a V. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to unpick that and sew a little farther over so that that gets covered. Okay, let's try that again. There we go, that's better. See, that's covered. So now I can trim this one. And that is how I will do each of these flying geese. And I'll bring you back when I'm ready to sew them together. Okay, I have the flying geese done. There is this little one that's in the middle. Oh, I forgot to trim that one. And we're going to put a little rectangle on the top of that one so that it is the same height as the others. Okay, so actually, so I'm just going to sew these together like this and put them all in a row. So back that. And my battery's about to die, so I'm going to do the rest of this off camera and I'll be back when it's done. Okay, I have this all pieced and put together. For ironing, when I ironed the bags, I ironed one down and one up so that I could nest them at the, when they meet. And then I ironed that seam open. And it was always the same side down and the same side up so that they nested. And then there's the little baby flying geese in the middle. And there is the unit that we put together. So now installment 1 is all done. And I want to thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you for installment 2.